Stop making boring sport poster. I'm going to show you how to design this pro-level basketball graphic entirely in Canva. Let's work. First, open Canva and then click Create. Choose Custom Size. Set unit to pixels. Width 3600 and height 4800. Click Create New Design. Remember to rename your work page, for example, Cinematic Basketball Poster. And then upload the photos. I will reduce the size. And I will set the position like this. I will crop this one. Increase the height a little and the width a little. Then place it here. Increase the size. I will crop to here, move here, and go to the other photos. I will move here. I will crop it. Increase more and crop again. I will crop the back and move it here. And then I will move it like this. Click one of them. Go to Edit. Adjust. Scroll down to Saturation. Make it -100. And scroll down again and increase the sharpness to 100. And then click this Copy Style button. Click here. Quick before we dive in, my digital store Creatvicto on Gumroad has premium and free templates. Link in the description, don't miss it. Click here again and click here. Double click on it. I will increase the size inside the frame. And click done. Double click on it. And I will increase the size inside the frame. I will move it here like this. Click done. And then go to Edit. Click here. This is a Pro tool. And click on the player. And click Grab. So now the player is separated from the background. Then crop the player like this. So crop it. And then click the background and crop it here. And then do the magic grab for this photo. And then crop it. And crop the background. Select them three. And reduce the size. I will move it to the right. So I will select them both with the background and move it here. And then I will increase the background here. And also the player. Alright, now we have it. And then add the fourth photo, the full body photo. Remove the background. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. And then type the name here using handwriting font like this Bright Sunshine. Select them all. I will move down a little. And then select this all and move down a little. Add the name and position here. Add a statistic here. Go to element and then add splatter element. Change the color to the same color as the jersey. I'll place it here. Go to position, layers, and move it behind the player. And then you can add a ground element. Place it in the corner. Increase the size. Change the color to gray. Position. Move it to the back. Duplicate and then flip horizontal and vertical and move it here and also move it to the back. Okay, so now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.